The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning for all areas within a 20 miles radius of the Pacific Ocean. This includes the following counties in California: Alameda, Contra Costa, Del Norte, Humboldt, Los Angeles, Marin, Mendocino, Monterey, Napa, Orange, San Benito, San Diego, San Francisco, San Luis Obispo, San Mateo, Santa Barbara, Santa Clara, Santa Cruz, Solano, Sonoma, and Ventura. In Hawaii, Honolulu, Kauai, and Maui. In Oregon, Clatsop, Coos, Curry, Douglas, Lane, Lincoln, and Tillamook. In Washington, Clallam, Grays Harbor, Island, Jefferson, King, Kitsap, Pacific, Pierce, San Juan, Skagit, Snohomish, Thurston, Waukegan, and Whatcom. And the following boroughs in Alaska: Aleutians East, Anchorage, Bristol Bay, Haines, Juneau, Keeney Peninsula, Ketchikan Gateway, Kodiak Island, Lake, and Peninsula, Matanuska, Petersburg, Sitka, Skagway, Wrangell, and Ukunit. The asteroid spotted days ago, which is about 2 miles wide, has struck the Pacific Ocean. This asteroid is impacted over 300 miles away from the city of Oakland, California. This impact has generated a devastating mega-tsunami that is capable of causing apocalyptic damage to the coast. Everything within a 20 miles distance from the coast will be flooded, and all areas on the coast will be wiped off the face of the earth. Anyone on the coast is in immediate danger, no matter what direction the coast is facing. Everyone on the west coast is ordered to evacuate now. Get in a vehicle and drive west outside the 20-mile flood zone. Contraflow has been enacted to make evacuation more expedient and efficient. Travel down marked evacuation routes, and avoid making your way towards the coast. Do not take shortcuts, and do not travel towards any locations not marked for evacuation. At this time, the United States National Guard is being called in to aid in the evacuation of any city with a population over 500,000. Please follow their instructions. Do not delay. You are in danger. Repeating, the asteroid discovered several days ago has struck the Pacific Ocean and has generated a devastating tsunami. This tsunami is surging towards the coast at a high rate of speed, and there is not much time to evacuate. Do not delay. Repeating, do not delay. Your life is in danger.